He knocking trees down, B. Hold on. Hey, bro, he knocking trees down. See what I do for you? Just cause you decided to watch this video, thank you. I'm gonna get the money shot, and it raining out here. I got my good shoes on, I'm tripping. Even if you got something negative to say, tell me I'm ugly. This laptop, tell me I'm ugly. You ugly too. Now hit the like button, please, thank you.
What's going on, family? We're the Grease Monkey, built by yo. So, what we got going on today? We got like a full, I don't know what, like 9 days, something like that.
You mean like till the till we leave?
Yeah, till we leave.
Yeah, about 9 days.
Yeah,
for
about
us.
9 days. So, as you can see, we still got a lot of work that we got to get done in these 9 days. It's finna be some long nights. I got to finish up on the 70. We close. This joker should be firing up between today and tomorrow. We got Herm finishing up on the 55. That should be done hopefully today, starting up. And then we got to undercoat it and clean up some stuff on it. The 66 is done. The 67 still finna go into paint. We just got done with the wheels and the brakes on that.
Hold on now. They don't know about the 67, dog. We got
okay.
Hold on, Jay.
What?
Jay got, hey, I ain't put, Jay, he had asked me the other day, y'all. He was like, T, what a video I did.
Yeah, man. They need to see the car.
Hey, they need to see it, man. Y'all want to, you know what I'm talking about? What we got here?
So, right here, we got a 67 Chevelle. We ain't had it long. We ain't had the joker there, but what, about maybe a month?
Way less than that.
Yeah, so.
Way less than a month. V-Long Forges. I ain't even know them was in the collection. Bro, like, yeah, we finna wipe the dust off the V-Long Fort. V-Long Fort? Where they at? I ain't seen them. It's 2 pair in the collection. I heard this one, the cut dog.
That one getting.
The cut dog got some?
Yeah, that one getting the big brother pair. This one getting fours. And these 2.
Y'all heard them, man.
Yeah.
Them deuces, okay. Well, they took.
Oh, yeah, they took.
Yeah,
they definitely took.
They took. This our barnyard fine. We got to restore.
Definitely a barn fine.
I'm gonna let Dub talk.
So, for this car, we ain't did nothing but put brakes on it. It's finna get a paint job. We'll put the brakes and the wheels on it. And then, you know, after the show, we're gonna go back through it, swap it out, you know, do all our whole do. But as of right now, the joker already run good. So, but you know, of course, we can't roll with no stock motor. So we gotta beef it up. But for the show, for the sake of time, we're gonna roll with the stock motor. So that's pretty much all we got on the 67. Now, next we got White Girl. We got the 85 MC going to the muffler shop today. We got that joker fired up last night. Going to the muffler shop. Then we got some little final touches we got to do. I got to hook up some power steering lines and AC lines and some more smaller stuff to it. But we got the joker fired up. So that's the main thing.
Hey, tell him who did that.
Yeah, Jay did the serpentine set up on it. He did. He got the joker knocked out. And it looked good. Shout out to Wegner.
That was sick. Squab got out of there. Whipple went crazy. What kind of, hold on, Jay?
Come on, Jay.
What kind of kid is it? Hold on, let me get him my mic.
Man.
Hold that, sir. Let's see, you holding that. All right. You know what I'm saying? Hey!
There you go.
I don't know what to do. Ladies, that's my little cousin. That's my little cousin.
Yeah, got you mic'd up now.
Nobody died. Oh, yeah, they. I mean, yeah. I think this, Wegner Serpentine set up cute. New headers.
Oh, yeah, I forgot about the headers.
New plugs, but boots. Put the radiator back in. That's about it. Oh, we got some special valve coat coming.
So you getting them too much sauce.
Too
You
much
getting-
info.
Okay.
But yeah, that's
We gotta
about it.
leave that.
Make sure we get the hell on. Y'all saying
Going to these, you told me going to these off shop today, then.
Yeah, going to the motor shop today.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
That's about it. You just gotta do some touching up on it, and then this car done.
yeah. Finish power steering lines and AC lines and shoot, this ready. Yeah, this gonna be ready. And then for Bumblebee back there, we just gotta put new studs in.
That's it.
Bumblebee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. We gotta put studs in the back. Just some longer studs to be able to put the lower nuts on. That rim got a really weird offset on it. And the studs don't come through the rim long enough. They reach the lower nut.
You ready though?
Yeah. Oh, we brought the Ranger back last night.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we brought it back out of storage. Made sure that joker running in tip-top shape so we can ride around the show in style.
You can't forget about the rain, man.
No, definitely can't forget about the Ranger. Oh, hold on, open the door for him.
I gotta open the
Yeah.
door for him. Go on that roof, P.
See what my brother Herm over here doing. What up, bro? Cool. Still on that 55.
Yeah, just put some spacers on so that it clear the leaf spring.
Okay. And these 22s on the back.
22.
So, man, when I seen that spacer, I thought it was like a small, like a washer or something. I didn't know it was
No.
like the size, like pretty much the circumference of the lug nuts. Which made sense, because I mean, it got to fit. Like, I don't know what I was thinking.
Yeah, like you add like a spacer to it, though.
Yo. Man, I like the car too, with the wheels on them, 20s on the front. I know some people ain't gonna like it, but hey, everything ain't for everybody, you know? See what Scorp doing over here. You know, Scorpion be working hard. Why you looking so mean, man? Oh, hey, that cutie dog. What's up, boy? What you doing? You chilling? Hey, boy. Hey, baby. What's up? Why you look so sad, man? What's wrong? You want a treat? Treat? Water? Food? Hungry? Eat? So you're not sad. I ain't think so. I ain't think you was sad. I knew you was. You trying to trick me, bro. You want the camera for? You want to take the camera? Hold up, I think it's that, bro. Hold up. That's a boy. That's a big boy. That's a big boy. Why are you attacking the camera? That's a big boy. All right, so I pull up to the compound, right? Like I'm not driving and filming, I promise. I'm literally just parking right now. But look, I pull up and you can't even see it over there. They got a investigator. Evacuator whatever it is. It's the thing that get all the dirt up out the car, bro. The excavator, evacuator, whatever it's called, man. Like, y'all know what it is, man. All right? Y'all know what it is, man. Okay? Let me turn around, man. I'm gonna get out. It's raining. All right? So I'm gonna have to put on the raincoat. We got scope in the back. Can y'all see him? The camera focusing on me. Cause it's like, they want to look at my face, but can you see scope back there? I can't even tell. Oh yeah, there you go. Whoa, what up, boy? What up, Scopey? Hey, man. Hey, baby. That's your boy. Hey, y'all back, boy. All right, come on. So what we got to do is we're going to try to turn around without getting too much on the grass and shit, right? I really actually can just stay like this, goddamn. I ain't even got to really. I could just stay down this way. But what I think I'm going to do is, so I don't be blocking my this part right here on the side. Try not to park. Oh shit, in the mud. Boy, what the hell? I ain't know I was going out there. Score. I'm thinking I'm still on the sidewalk. What the fuck? I'm tripping. We park out to the side like that. Bro, he knocked the tree down. He knocking trees down, B. Hold on. Hey, bro, he knocking trees down. You see this? Do you see this? This is what we do at BuiltbyYO, man. See what I do for you? Just because you decided to watch this video, thank you. I'm gonna get the money shot, and it raining out here. I got my good shoes on. I'm tripping in the mud, getting a good shot for you. Can you please hit like and subscribe on the video? Well, I didn't even say that right. Can you subscribe on the channel? And if you don't mind, can you hit like? Thank you. And can you say something in the comments so we can talk back to you in the comments? Even if you got something negative to say. Tell me I'm ugly. This laptop, tell me I'm ugly. You ugly too. Now hit the like button, please. Thank you, bro. But in the midst of that, we need a little spacey. We need a little spacey. So we got Mr. Day over here, you know what I'm saying? My guy, Big Dollar, you know what I'm saying? Dollar that came through, you know what I'm saying? So, it's a dollar day. Shout out to my guys. They cousins. So, yo, man, construction crew, man, going crazy, you know what I'm saying?